Hello friends and welcome to infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to customize your icons that you see in this OnePlus mobile. How to customize all these things by going to settings. So let us see how to do that. First of all, you have to go to settings here. Once you press settings, you can see this thing will come up in OnePlus phones. Here there is something called customization, wallpapers, accent color and font. Press this customization and you can see all these options coming up like system customization, system icons, icon pack, font, etc, etc. For example, I go to accent color. You can see right now how my phone is behaving, which color it is red. As you can see, all these things are red. So here you can see and change the color. It will turn to blue, light blue, red, orange, all these things. So you can customize as you wish. So I'll keep it as it was before. So I'll save it, and you can see there is something called system icons also. Here I press it and you can see now the icons are like a icon. You can see in the system tray, round in color, round in shape. So here you can go and convert it into square. If I choose this, you can see well, I have to save it first. If I save it, then you can see that things have turned into square instead of round. So this is how you change your system icons. Here again, icon pack. If I go here, you can see all these icons or apps or whatever is in your phone, it is in round shape. You can turn it into this square shape, again this round, and over inside that another round. You can see here also it is changing how the desktop or your mobile window will show, home screen will show. Here you can see, you can test it here as well. So I will just leave it as it was in default. I like that. So I'll just go back for icon pack, and also your font. You can see now my default font is like this, but if I want to change it to like it is OnePlus Sans, if I want to change it to Roboto, you can see how the font would change. So in OnePlus there are only like two fonts right now in the phone, native fonts. So you can change between these two only. There is no more fonts available right now. For example, if I go to like I'll go here, I think I have to save that before going for checking. If I save this, for example, you can see this thing have changed a little bit. This Thursday, December 22, 8:52, all these things. These things have changed a little bit. The font have changed. So you can change your phone default font like this. So these four options are given in the customization menu: accent color, system icons, icon pack, font. You can play with all these things which suits you, which you like, which makes you happy with all this customization of fonts, style of your icons, etc, etc. So friends, that's it. So friends, I hope this video was useful for you, for people who are using OnePlus phones. In other phones also you would have some kind of similar settings you can find in your manual, in your settings. If you have this kind of settings, please comment if something more is there. If some options are not there, you can comment in this comment box. We'll definitely look into it. We'll also learn from you. So friends, that's it. Please subscribe to the channel Infotainment, and please do share this video so that many people come to know this tip of changing or customizing your icons, your styles of your phone. Friends, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.